Hello there, my name is Sam Squalo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in this video today, very important Bitcoin stuff that I really wanted to share, and there is some really interesting technical formation, and I think that you already know the one I'm talking about. And if you're wondering, whether you should trade it or not, then this video is for you, because I think that there is a big anticipation in the market right now for something very important, and the whales are preparing something as well. So if you're into Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, altcoins, trading in general, then this video is for you, guys and girls. So really watch it from the beginning and until the end. And me currently, leave me some like for this, because I'm in the middle of huge traveling spree right here. Look at this beautiful view. Who can guess this place? Let me know down in the comments right now. And if you guessed it, congratulations. Yes, it's Monaco. My favorite, lovely Monte Carlo. Absolutely love Monaco. Have you been to Monaco? Let me know down in the comments. Huge days here in Monaco. I'm super excited. Important time of my life right now, but you'll learn about all of this a bit later. So right now, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because these uploads are very important. And you have to watch them from the beginning and then till the end as they come out. And yes, we just arrived in Monaco a few hours ago, and I'm still keeping you guys updated. You are my YouTube family, so leave me a like on this video, make some noise down in the comments, and if you don't want to comment, that's fine. Just enjoy this awesome content and these daily updates on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And down in the description of this video, there is a link to my free Telegram channel where I post oftentimes much faster than on YouTube. So go and join it for free right now. And let's just jump right into it without any intros. Don't have time for that today. We have this beautiful Bitcoin price going downward, and we are currently stuck once again at $30,000, and we're forming this kind of an interesting wedge. And as you know, these kinds of wedges, they have a tendency, let me just turn on logarithmic, let me move it to the side. And you know very well that these wedges, oftentimes, they either break above or break below. So in this instance, always two opportunities. So if it breaks above, nice long trade with could be a nice target of about $33,000. Very optimistic target, something nice for a scalp trade. And also if it breaks down, could be a nice target of about $26,000. So not lower than the previous low. Could be a bit dangerous and unrealistic. So this is, something that is technical possible right now. And if you're, and we're gonna talk about what is most important in this video, because the technicals are technicals, but really want to see what the whales are doing, and also what the most important day will be on the 27th of May, and reason why. And if you want to be trading actively, then with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can open an account with Bybit, the most transparent crypto exchange as voted in 2021. So, and with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you will get up to $4,100 in free bonuses, and also 0% maker fees for 30 days, which is insane. So click that link, my exclusive link in the pinned comment or in the description, and claim those amazing bonuses for your trading. So we understand that we have these kinds of two technical possibilities currently, which, to be honest, it more looks like we have more potential downside than the upside. But again, in a short-term perspective, anything can happen, and we have to follow what the market tells us. But what we have to take a look at is what the whales are actually currently doing. No, not this one right here. And this is gonna show us exactly what is happening. And we'll see right here that the actual whale presence is very, very huge right now. As the price is moving downward, we are seeing more and more whale activity. And as you might remember, when we had the previous whale spikes, this is when we actually moved downward right here. That's where the whale spike was. So, and right now, let me know, what do you think the whales are preparing? Are they gonna dump the price lower, or is it gonna be a nice reversal right now for a nice actually breakout trade for this formation right here? These are very good indications of when the big move is coming, and especially right now, whales might actually use this opportunity, the small liquidity during the weekend, to actually push the market up and down. So this is really cool. And by the way, if you're not participating at my online trading competition with a $50,000 prize pool, a free trading competition, you're missing out on an incredible opportunity. Go in the pinned comment or in the description and register, participate, and win amazing prizes, including a seat at Crowler Trading Show Season 2. And now, most importantly, what I think is going to be more important than, the whales or, these technical formations, which are great. But right now, guys and girls, we have to admit that right now we're at the mercy of Fed. So the Federal Reserve, what the Federal Reserve starts doing to fight inflation, is going to affect NASDAQ and all the markets, and all the traditional markets have been going down like crazy. That is going to affect us tremendously. So for that reason, by the way, before we go to the most important stuff, which is Fed, let's take a look at the Bitcoin dollar longs. And here it is. So this is going to be an interesting correlation between the Bitcoin price, the orange one, focus, there we go, between the orange Bitcoin price and this right here is the number of longs on Bitcoin right here, BTC USD longs 1 week Bitfinex. So basically this shows us guys and girls, this shows us the market sentiment, right? When we have such an insane spike in longs, that means that the market is really thinking that the Bitcoin is oversold currently, which it really is oversold. So we're seeing this all-time high right now in the number of longs. Certainly we can see some, long squeezes here and there and kick some people out, but this is also smart money participating in this. So they know exactly what they're doing. And oftentimes we have these inverse correlations. So when we see this increase, we're seeing the price going down. And as we are seeing the decrease in the amount of longs, that's when, the profit taking is happening, etc. And the price is actually rallying. So look at this insane jump in longs. So once we start going down and once the price reverses, and this is going to have, this kind of a profit taking area. Again, remember, there is inverse correlation between Bitcoin price and the actual Bitcoin longs. So this is an incredible situation right now that I've noticed. And look, we have super loud of helicopters flying. There it is. There it is. Is it gonna focus? There we go. There it is. And yes, iPhone 13, brand new phone and not working anymore. Apple is a scam company. So anyway, and focus. Thank you. So yeah, anyway, and here, this is an incredible sign for us, guys and girls, that in these areas, a lot of the money and the big money also is thinking that this is a very good price to actually start longing Bitcoin. And we've seen this already switching momentum of the Bitcoin options. And I've showed you this already, that there are big bets right now on a at least short-term reversal of Bitcoin. But that's not all. Also, we have to pay attention to, and you've guessed it right, it's DXY, the dollar currency index. So let me remove this and we're gonna take a look at the weekly chart of DXY. And you will remember, because I showed you this before, it's a very important chart. Let me remove the indicator so you can see this, which is right here, 103,700. And we're gonna see that we were rejected from it many times, and it was back in 2017. I don't know why the camera is just not focusing. What the hell is going on? Then we got rejected in 2020, and currently, finally, guys and girls, we're seeing a rejection right here, which could potentially send the dollar index into a small correction finally. And let me know if you think that is going to be the case, because remember, there is also an inverse correlation between the dollar index and the Bitcoin price. If dollar index going down, Bitcoin is going up. So this is also a very good indication. And I think, but we need a pivotal point, right? We need a fundamental reason to actually turn this, and the technicals are not enough. So for me, and I showed you this before, and watch for this data, I think that this is going to be the pivotal moment, in my personal opinion, that is going to be personal consumption expenditures price index. So this is going to be our report on inflation, because the CPI report on inflation is currently already in, which we've seen previously, and it didn't have a lot of effect on the markets. But from my research, I've found out that Jerome Powell and the Fed give more weight to this index rather than the CPI. So our release for April, see that there is only March right now. So in April, for April release is going to be on May 27th, right here, as you can see this right here. So this is going to be incredibly important, and I believe that this is going to, create this whole huge shift in price for us, and is going to decide whether Bitcoin is going to be revisiting and making potentially new local lows, or actually is going to go and potentially retest 36 or maybe even $40,000 or $45,000, which would correlate really well with the current huge option calls that we've seen in one of the previous videos. Let me know down in the comments if you agree, if you don't agree, and yeah, I would be happy to see you in Monaco. So if you focus. Jesus Christ. But if you would like to see me in Monaco, you live in Monaco, let me know down in the comments or send me a message on Twitter, just a verified account. And yes, thank you very much for watching. Peace and love, Thomas Crollo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.